welcome back to my channel. So for one, before we even get started, I do just want to say, give this video a big thumbs up for the quality of this video. It is the best quality I think I've ever posted, and I'm so proud of it. For today's video, I am going to be doing my night routine, which usually starts off with me coming home and heading straight to the fridge. Once I'm done with that, I usually walk into my bedroom and just plop myself on the bed because I'm usually so exhausted from either working or, you know, just having a really long day. So it usually consists of me just laying there for like 30 minutes. But once I'm done being lazy, I will go light some candles and try to get some work done. And this can consist of either commenting back to your guys' comments on my videos, or just getting some editing done, or filming, or whatever it may be, just trying to get the work that I need to get done. I usually end up doing like 10 minutes of work, and then I make myself some popcorn and end up watching some Netflix. Also, comment down below what you guys watch on Netflix, because right now I am watching Insatiable, and whenever I'm done with that, I'm gonna be really sad because I'm really loving that show right now. Now on to shower time. I'm trying to keep this super PG, so I'm just gonna run you through some of the products and not gonna show anything else because I was filming with Noah and that would just be very awkward on both of our parts. For body wash, I don't use anything super special. I just kind of pick up whatever from Walmart. But for my shampoo and conditioner, I am very picky. So recently I have been using these two products from Kenra. I love them. They are great for if you have like any kind of color treatment in your hair. I love them. And then I actually use this conditioner. I will have what it's actually called down below in case you're interested, but it is so thick. It's actually really difficult to kind of get out of the container, but it is purple, and so it kind of helps your hair just, you know, stay that cool like silver tone. Now onto one of my favorite parts of the night, changing into super comfortable clothes. You guys have seen this hoodie over and over again. I got it from London and it is my favorite hoodie. I wear it like almost every night, which is probably so disgusting, but I mean, I wash it a lot, so it's fine. If this was actually my night routine, I would usually be letting my hair dry right now. So while my hair is drying, let's just, you know, pretend for right now, I would head out to the kitchen and get some sort of a midnight snack. I love veggie straws. Comment down below if you guys like them too. I think that they are literally the best snacks. Now, time to take off my makeup. So this, I've been using the CeraVe like hydrating micellar water. Definitely 10 out of 10. Do not recommend. Get the Garnier ones because these ones, like, I don't know why, but they like burn my face. Maybe it's just me, but I definitely will not be buying this again. Get the Garnier ones. I love them. For my face wash, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love Shiseido. I think that's how you say it. Shiseido products. I love them. This is not sponsored at all, but I use their purifying face wash, and then I also use their refining moisturizer. And this is the only combination of moisturizers and like face washes that I've ever found that is so perfect. It like just makes sure that you don't have like any acne on your face. Your skin is just like clean, refreshed, and I just love this stuff. I get a lot of questions on my Instagram or on my YouTube videos basically just asking me like, how do I get my teeth so white? And I take none of the credit. It's literally Crest 3D White. Like, I use all of their products. I use their toothbrush, their toothpaste, their mouthwash, and their strips every once in a while. I don't like to use their like teeth strips like too often, just because like it's not really the best thing for your teeth, but I would definitely recommend that if that's something like you're insecure about, or you know, you just want your teeth to be whiter. Usually at this point in the night, I just head into bed and I end up scrolling on my phone. Do you guys ever get that where like it's like 10 o'clock, you're so proud of yourself, you're in bed, you're ready to go to bed early, and then next thing you know, you've been scrolling on Instagram for like 4 hours? Yeah, because same. Also, Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. So my username is @CourtneyRaine_. I'll have more information down in the down bar in case you want to go ahead and follow me, but I definitely recommend you do. I do live streams on Sundays, which you should definitely check out. After I've been scrolling on my phone for a couple hours, I will usually just turn out my light and go to bed. So that was about it for my nighttime routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and turn on my post notifications if you want to be notified every single time I post a new video. Also, shout out to Noah for helping me film this video. It turned out amazing, so thank you, Noah, for that, and I will see you guys later. Bye!